Okay guys, today we are playing a new game called Frag. Okay, I will say you the rules. What is this game is? See, this type of marks will be on both sides. Blue team is ours, red team is opponents. If they destroy this completely, our score will be gone. After they destroying those both two, there is a main one right here. This is the last one. If they destroyed this one also, we will lost. And we have some nice powers like jetpack, and I will show you in the next games. Okay, if I die right here, we can transform into another guy. See, we should shoot this for decreasing their opponent's score. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. He nearly died. Okay, he died. Okay, there is another girl. Okay, okay. Now I died. See what will happen. There are some candidates. We can pick one. I I think this one is the best. Okay, and we also have stickers. Okay, we can also keep this so our friends will come and defeat it. Sorry, defend it. And we can freeze, and we have a special ability. We can freeze others. And there are, okay, now I am picking this guy. He is a missile launcher. Now I can, now I will launch missiles. Okay, and by killing opponents also their score will be decreased. Okay, I died. Now I am picking another one. I'll pick this guy. Okay, he can place mines. Now we will blast. Okay. Okay, this big guy can keep shields everywhere. Now I'll see how you will come. Okay, I think I destroyed one. So now the shield activated. If I cannot destroy that, the shield will be not not will be off. Okay, someone kill me. I want to. I don't have that skin, so I can't turn it to that guy. This guy have more health, so I am turning it to her, him. Okay, okay. The time is completed. Okay, we have more points, so we won. Okay, we are playing another match. Okay, again I started with this jetpack girl. Oh, this girl have some. Okay, now I can fly to that side. Okay, I think those are noobs, so they can't attack me that much properly. Okay, this girl have knocked back. If we shoot him, they are moving back. Okay, I think I singly can take over this side. Okay, they are destroying ours also. We should be careful. Okay, I destroyed one. See, if I shoot him, he is going back. We have knockback in this gun. Means for this character. I think we literally can win this match without transforming into any others. Okay, now I am doing jetpack and going up. Okay, I think the shield will be down. Yes, the shield is down. Okay. Okay, I think we will win within no time. Okay, we won. We won. Literally, we have almost full health. Okay, one more game and we will stop. And don't forget to, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, one more game. I didn't understand. Okay. And there is water down there. If you fall on in that water, you will die. So we should be careful. Okay, we died. And I want to transform into a nice guy. I think this guy is better. Okay, how convenient, he is right here. Okay, shoot, come on. This guy has so much of time to. This guy taking so much of time to reload. Okay. Oh, there is also a archery. I will take this girl. Okay, now let's use jetpack. And these medikits, if we pick them up, we will get maximum health. I think we can kill. Okay, we kill him. Okay, let's shoot him. Come on, come on, come on! Someone shooting us. Okay, I'll shoot from here. Okay, she killed me. Okay, we are almost nearly to win. Let's go first. Okay, come on, go. Okay, now shoot missiles. Okay, literally that many missiles just did like 20 to 30 damage. Okay, he's stopping me. Okay, because of our missiles, the inside part was got blasted. Okay, there is only one part up there. Okay, he died. Okay, I think maximum everyone will focus on that big one to stop. Go. Come on. Run. Okay, run. Come on. Yes. Okay. Okay, we came here. Now we can shoot. Okay, 250. Come on. Come on. Okay, 197. I think they came. I think they are back of me. Okay, they are not back of me. Okay, I think we can win. We won. Yes, we won the match, guys. And don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.